Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about multiplying fractions. For example, 1 over 2 half times 2 over 3. This is an example of multiplication of proper fractions. Okay, remember when we add fractions, the denominator has to be the same. Correct? But when we multiply fractions, the denominator does not have to be the same. This is one rule that I need you to take note of. Only in adding and subtracting fractions, the denominator must be the same. But when we multiply, in later examples, I will show you that the denominator does not need to be the same. Okay, remember, when we multiply a fraction, the denominator does not need to be the same. So don't worry, this denominator is 2, this denominator is 4. We have to make it the same. No, we do not. We just need to look at the fraction half times 3 over 4. And in this case, we cannot simplify half, nor can we simplify 3 over 4, nor can we cross simplify. So we just multiply the numerators and the denominators. For example, let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 3 over, now let's multiply the denominators. 2 times 4, we get 1 times 3 is 3. We copy the sign, over 2 times 4 is 8. And hence we have the answer 3 over 8, which cannot be simplified further. Okay, let's look at another example. So remember, this is multiplication of proper fractions. We do not need to worry about the denominator being the same. So what shall we do? We shall multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Before we do that, we must check. 4 over 5, can we simplify? No. 1 over 7, can we simplify? No. 4 and 7, can we simplify? No. 1 and 5, can we simplify? No. Okay, so we multiply the numerators. 4 times 1 over, now we multiply the denominators. 5 times 7, and we get 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 7 is 35. We get 4 over 35. Can we simplify 4 over 35? No, so we are done. Okay, in another example, we have 3 over 5 times 1 over 4. Okay, again we are going to multiply the fraction. We do not need to worry about the denominators being the same. Okay, now let's look at 3 over 5. 3 over 5, can we simplify 3 over 5? No. Can we simplify 1 over 4? No. Can we simplify 3 and 4? No. Can we simplify 1 and 5? No. So we are going to multiply the fraction directly. We are going to start first. Yes, what do we multiply? We multiply the numerators, then we multiply the denominators. Okay, let's multiply. 3 times 1, multiplying the numerators, 3 times 1, over multiplying the denominators, 5 times 4. And the answer is 3 times 1, 3, 5 times 4, 20. The answer is 3 over 20. Do we need to simplify 3 over 20? No. We are done with this example. Okay, the next type of multiplication of fractions will involve simplification, and I will go through some examples of that.